The ultimate robot vacuum, ECOVACS DEEBOT Y1 Pro. Say hello to hassle-free cleaning with the ECOVACS DEEBOT Y1 Pro. Designed for tech enthusiasts and smart homes, this robot vacuum doesn't just clean, it redefines the way you maintain your living space. With cutting-edge features and sophisticated performance, you won't believe how effortless cleanliness can be. The DEEBOT Y1 Pro combines powerful vacuuming and efficient mopping in a single go. With an impressive 6,500 pascals suction, it tackles pet hair, dirt, and debris effortlessly. Whether on tiles, carpets, or hardwood floors, this household hero leaves every corner spotless in record time. Equipped with advanced true mapping and LiDAR navigation, this robot vacuum maps your home quickly and efficiently. It creates systematic cleaning routes, ensuring no spot is missed. Narrow spaces? Not a problem. It glides effortlessly under furniture with its ultra-slim 33 centimeters design. With a 5,200 EMA battery, the Y1 Pro delivers up to 320 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge, covering up to 3,500 plus square feet. Perfect for large homes, it lets you enjoy superior cleaning without constant recharging interruptions. Control your ECOVACS DEEBOT through the ECOVACS Home app. Adjust suction strength, water flow, or schedule personalized cleaning routines. Plus, with compatibility for voice assistants like Amazon Echo and Google Home, managing your cleaning has never been easier or cooler. Specifically built for Indian households, this robot handles various flooring types, from marble to carpets. Thanks to its intelligent carpet sensor technology, it avoids carpets in mopping mode and amplifies its suction power during vacuuming, delivering precision clean results everywhere. Originally priced at $59,900, it's now available at just $22,990. High performance meets affordability. With over 10,000 positive reviews and a stellar 4.3-star rating, the DEEBOT Y1 Pro isn't just an investment. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Take the plunge and bring innovation to your home. Click now to explore the ECOVACS DEEBOT Y1 Pro on Amazon, where smart technology meets meticulous cleaning. Upgrade your cleaning routine today. You won't know how you lived without it. Check the link in description or bio, subscribe for interesting gadgets.